The storm has come early tonight. Good thing we are all together.
Listen to that rain. The forest is drinking well.
We made it. The rain caught us halfway down the trail.
Dry your feet well, little one, or the cold will sneak in.
Thank you, Grandma. Your house is warmer than the rain.
Storms sound loud, but inside, ooh, we are safe. There, the fire will keep us company tonight.
Rice tastes better when shared on a rainy night. Your grandfather will say, "The carrots are too thick again."
Can I stir the soup later?
It's starting to wake up. When I was small, my mother made this during every storm.
Let's see if I still remember the perfect timing.
Whoa! Whoa! That one was loud!
Perfect. There goes the color of the garden.
Listen, that's the sound of dinner.
The forest looks like it's glowing.
All right, everyone, come closer.
It smells like childhood in here.
いただきます。
It's so good!
Nothing beats a fire and full stomach.
Tea makes the night softer.
The storm is already slowing.
See? Even thunder can't disturb a good meal.
Day the night. The forest will be muddy by morning.
I couldn't eat another bite.
Tomorrow's breakfast is ready already.
Grandma, tell a story tomorrow.
The rain sounds like a lullaby now.
Sleep warm, little house.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Another peaceful night in the forest.